Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladys. Today I'll be showing you how to invite someone to Spotify Premium Family. If you want to invite someone to Spotify's Premium Family, this is what you have to do. The steps are not that far from what you can do. If you have Spotify account, you can just go to your any best browser of your choice and just type in Spotify.com. Then you search. If you want to use the app, what you have to do is tap on Spotify, tap on Premium. Now you have to join Premium that you want to use. I want to use Premium Family because I want to invite family members to Premium Family. Premium invite someone to Premium Family. So I have to make sure that this is my Premium Family account. I'm going to buy it 1,400. It lasts for 6 months. So this I buy. If you tap on it, it will take you to where you have to enter your credit card number, then your home address, and you confirm. This family premium is only do allow someone to invite only 6 people, 6 members, and these members must have account with Spotify. If you invite these 6 members, the way you invite these 6 members is by sending your link to them. So when they tap on the link, they'll be able to connect with you. So guys, that is it on how to invite someone to Spotify family, a premium family. If this video was helpful, please do also like, subscribe, share, and leave all your comments on the comment section.